To find all shortest paths between two nodes in a graph, simply select these two nodes and press the Find the Shortest Path button. All shortest paths are calculated using all data in the graph database and shown in the preview window. View the different paths using the tabs on the left. Usually, some of the paths are similar in the sense that they have the same type of entities along the path. These paths can be grouped together using the Group Similar Paths checkbox to easily select or unselect whole groups. Separate paths or groups can be selected or unselected. Selected paths are combined in the Selected Paths tab. This is the resulting subgraph that will be added to the visualization. Different layouts are available to further refine the preview. Added paths are selected and centered in the visualization. Now let's add some context to the graph to show how existing paths are visualized. If all elements of the selected paths are already in the visualization, then the layout of the existing elements is preserved, paths are selected and centered.